Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be making sour sop leaf tea. We have other videos where we talked about the benefits of eating sour sop and many other beneficial videos on our life-giving food segment, which you need to check out. So today I've come with something else on our life-giving food segment. We have sour sop leaves. This leaf has a very unique fragrance, and if you know the scent, or you know the fragrance or the smell, you can easily tell there's sour sop in an area once you get into an area. So if you get into an area where they are farming sour sop, you can easily tell because it has a fragrance, and it brings memories to me because I grew up, we had a sour sop tree behind our house, and even though they had to cut it at some point, but I can remember the fragrance. So let's get into how we can make our sour sop leaf tea. For us to make our sour sop leaf tea, one thing that is very important is that you have to wash your leaves thoroughly, because there's probably many different types of impurities there. You have maybe birds pooping on the leaves, there's dust. You just want to wash your leaves, even if you can see that they are visibly clean, because my sour sop leaves did not look dirty, but they were dirty. So you just want to rub your fingers on the leaves, wash it, just wash it. You can take 2 leaves and rub them against each other and wash thoroughly, so that you can wash under running water as well, so that you can eliminate any dirt. So I washed mine twice and then I rinsed it. Okay, I washed it and rinsed it under running water, and then I put it in a pot and boiled it. Now, for the quantity of water you need for your sour sop leaves, honestly, I do not have any exact measurements to give you guys, but I know that once I put my sour sop leaves in the pot, I feel water to get to the level where my leaves are. So if you are making, like, let's say 2-3 leaves, you might want to just use 1 cup of water just to get a quantity that you can drink, or maybe 2 cups of water. I do not have exact measurements, I do not know, but yes, I boiled my sour sop leaf for about 5 minutes, and then I let it stay in the hot pot without opening it for another 5 minutes, and this is the color that I got. I think I did use a lot of sour sop leaves, because if you use fewer leaves, you will not have this thick dark brown color, right? So this is how I made my sour sop leaf tea. Try it out and tell me how it turns out for you. I personally have heard so many good testimonies about sour sop in general, sour sop fruit, sour sop leaf, sour sop the back of the tree. I've heard so many good things about it. The one I have experienced is that it can help you with having better sleep. Okay, I've heard people say it fought and beat their cancer. I've heard people say it dissolved their throat cyst. I've seen a lot of people who have given testimonies on YouTube, and I find that sometimes I like to hear from people, like from common random people, just sharing their heartfelt testimonies, how this thing has blessed them. It makes you know that this thing actually has something in it that works. Okay, thank you so much for coming yet again on the life-giving food segment. I'll see you guys on the next videos. Go back, watch the ones that we've shared before. We have lots of videos on this segment or this series. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.